What's up, YouTube? Been down, I don't know, like over a week, I think, 2 weeks maybe, near-death experience and all, so sorry I haven't made any videos. This video, last time I looked I was around 150, so even though originally it was 250 and I've been out of my mind for the past couple months saying it was 150, I'm going to go with the 150 and do a giveaway. I'll explain the rules on that later, but I'm going to do some unboxings as fast as I can, try and get it all in one video. This is the Daily High Club, I'm assuming for this month. Oh, okay. And it says Cinco de Mayo. Here, let me get these out of the way. So it says Cinco de Mayo. Doesn't look like there's too much to it, but, well, I guess there's, let's just dump it out. Hopefully y'all can see that super sweet leaf dancing around, I don't know. It's real finicky, but it's supposed to be voice activated up there. So hopefully you can see it. Win a mega box. I don't think that's happening in my lifetime. We got a Daily High Club Corona sticker. That's pretty tight. And we got a Daily High Club mustard colored. And then we've got a raw pocket ashtray. That's pretty neat. I like those. Don't leave your litter laying all around. Weird. We got a raw lanyard. I guess Daily High Club's doing lanyards now. We got Daily High Club dragon bristles. Cyclone, looks like it's gonna be mint. I hate mint, but yeah. Iced Dream, 2 per tube. So cyclones. And then we got some crutches, elements, a book of element crutches. I like these, the hemper free hemp. I think it's 1 1/4. Yeah, 1 1/4 papers. And then we have, yes, I love these, the organic high hemp wraps, CBD infused, and there's 2 of them. And we got a lighter that says Daily High Club with a bottle opener on it. And we've got some hemp vine, you know. Okay, let's see what this is. Sorry I'm burning through this. I'm just going to try and get all 3 boxes on one video and tell you what you got to do to win a prize. It's kind of cool. I mean, it's not really my style, but it's pretty cool. It's a teeny little beer bottle, water pipe, with a really cheesy bowl, but that's pretty cool. I like it. I mean, you can dig that. And just put it out of the way here so I can try and get another box. These might be doubles because they say it came so close together. I think it's actually last month's because I never received one. So it could be 2 of last month's. Looks like a Nintendo player. Let's see which one came the latest. It doesn't have a ship date on here, of course. Just open this real quick and see if it's the same. Okay, no, they're 2 different. They are 2 different. So I don't know which is what month. Okay, this is the X-Code edition, so that must be, what month are we in? Okay, so this must be April's. Try and burn through it so I can tell y'all what to do to win a prize. Okay, we got a Regular hemper sticker. Same old, same old. This is pretty cool. I haven't seen this before. It's a Nintendo Xcode. It says hemper Xcode. Just looks like basically a Nintendo controller. Sweet. Hemp wraps. 4 of them. And it's mango pineapple. Sounds pretty tasty. Then we've got pre-rolled cigarette paper original cones. 1 party cone. This slipped off. Just a Xcode Nintendo Bic. We got a hemper glass tip. Xcode Nintendo controller black ice air freshener. A clear doob tube, doesn't say anything on it, but it's big. I like that. And put a big old pre-roll blunt in that. This is pretty cool. I like this mat. It's got the hemper logo on it. The 2 hands passing a J. And then hopefully his piece doesn't suck, but it looks like it's a freaking spoon. Which I'm really not too keen on spoons. It's a really pretty one, but it's a spoon. Okay, let's see if we can burn through this next one real quick. Hopefully I'm not over the time limit. Gosh, they're serious about that. And this one doesn't say anything about a theme. It does have some 420 spray. I like the 420 spray. Some kryptonite cleaner for water pipes. A cool clipper. It says the 60s on it. It's got some like psychedelic stuff. Big pack of elements with small crutches, but that's fine. A really big pack of the Zen, looks like 50 or so, I don't know, but I like this brand. The Zen bristle cleaners are really good. We got 10 alcohol wipes that say hemper on them. Same old, same old. Hemper always with that green sticker. Then we got a really cool camo smelly bag. And some, wow. Okay, some pipe screens, which is cool because, I don't know, it's cool to have screens. Try and open these real fast. Obviously you gotta be a sub to win. That goes without saying. The contest is actually going to be kind of hard because it goes on guessing. It's whoever gets closest to the amount of grab stickers on my back wall. And I know some are hidden behind me, so that's what makes it fun. Y'all got to do a little brain work. Some good stoner fun to do it. And whoever comes the closest, or if there's a tie, then I'll do a random pick. This is really cool. It's a hockey puck style hemper. Looks like a 14 mil with a crazy shower head bottom. I actually like this. This I like. I mean, I don't like spoons, but this is really pretty. Okay, with that being said, hopefully I got all this into one video. Thank you for my subs that have been sticking with me. Sorry I've been out, but I was literally almost near death. Get past that, try and get to some one video. So, you know, don't hate, appreciate, and as always, don't legalize. Wait, sorry. remember, whoever gets closest to the amount of Grav Lab stickers I have all over this back wall. And legalize, don't demonize. I'm out.